All right, breaking news coming inside for actor Jacqueline Fernandez, because today is when the court was to take a decision on the regular bail. The court earlier had extended Jacqueline's interim bail, and today the announcement had to come in from the court itself. And till today it had adjourned the order on Jacqueline's bail application in the 200 crore money laundering case, of course involving alleged conman Sukesh Chandrashekhar. Until then, her protection also stood extended. So this is the latest coming in. The Patiala House Court has granted bail to Jacqueline Fernandez. This is certainly a big relief coming in at the moment, because she'd filed for a regular bail. And Mohit is joining us with more details. After much wait, Mohit, now relief coming in for Jacqueline Fernandez. The court has granted her regular bail.
Well, yes, Katrine, and also our colleague Neelashish is reporting from inside the court. I'm reporting from outside Patiala court. Now he's putting the flashes of the order that has come out. Now Jacqueline Fernandez, first of all, has been granted bail. Now it's been given on the 2 lakh of bail bond and one surety. That is a surety-like amount. And also Jacqueline Fernandez can travel abroad with prior permission.
So she can travel abroad with prior permission of court. Mohit, let's hear it from Neelashish himself, tracking all those developments from inside the court. Neelashish, big relief for Jacqueline Fernandez.
Absolutely, Christine. Big relief coming in from Patiala House Court here, with the court granting bail to Jacqueline Fernandez. In fact, as we speak, she continues to be inside the courtroom with her lawyer, a big smile on her face the moment the order was pronounced. Of course, the order contains normal conditions of bail. As far as the bond is concerned, she will be having to furnish an amount of 2 lakh rupees with one surety of the like amount. The lawyers of Jacqueline Fernandez are in fact inside the court to complete the formalities. But yes, as far as this case is concerned, we are expecting that the ED will further file a supplementary charge sheet in this case. But as of now, bail to Jacqueline Fernandez. And in fact, while interacting with us inside the courtroom, we believe that the legal team and Jacqueline might be interacting with the media shortly after completing the formalities.
Okay, so let's see if her legal team comes out with a response to the media. But the accused in this case, Jacqueline Fernandez, had sought bail on the ground that there was no need for a custody, since investigation, Neelashish, is already complete and the charge sheet has already been filed. So what happens next?
Well, yes, absolutely. As far as the investigating agency is concerned, we believe that they might be filing a supplementary charge sheet after this as well, because of which they opposed the bail of Jacqueline Fernandez. Of course, as far as the investigation is concerned, bail conditions always entail that she will have to cooperate with investigation. She will have to be present when called by the ED. So the investigation will continue if the ED wishes to file a supplementary charge sheet. And it will have to be seen whether Jacqueline is named as an accused in that or as a witness. Because in this particular charge sheet, supplementary charge sheet that was filed initially, it was the first time that Jacqueline Fernandez was named as an accused in the case. So the investigation will continue. However, for now, relief definitely for Jacqueline Fernandez, with the court, in fact, having made that intention clear during the hearing as well, when we had asked the ED why it's opposing bail to Jacqueline, given the fact that they never initially wanted to arrest her in the first place.
Absolutely. Already the Enforcement Directorate, Neelashish, has summoned her on several occasions. And for the first time, like you pointed out, in the supplementary charge sheet, she was named as the accused for the first time. Now, you're telling us, in all likelihood, there are chances that the ED could be filing yet another charge sheet. But with regards to the investigations and the arguments that have been put forth by the Enforcement Directorate side, what does it look like? What was the line that was taken by the ED previously in the courts?
Well, see, the case as far as Jacqueline Fernandez is concerned is to do with enjoying proceeds of the crime. Let's not forget, this matter entails a 200 crore extortion situation allegedly conducted by conman Sukesh Chandrashekhar. So in that situation, there are a list of items and things that were given by the AD, wherein it was said that these gifts were given to Jacqueline Fernandez by Sukesh Chandrashekhar. So whether she was an accomplice in this situation, whether she knew about the misgivings and the wrongdoings by Sukesh Chandrashekhar, was she an accomplice? These are the aspects of this case that will come out as far as ED's investigation is concerned. But as of now, of course, the ED had been saying that they would require her to cooperate with the investigation further. And also, their opposing the bail was on the grounds that she could be a flight risk given that her parents are from Bahrain.
Okay.
She, in fact, is a Sri Lankan. And in all these scenarios, the concern was that the investigation would not be complete. But now, of course, with the bail being granted, the conditions will have to be met by Jacqueline Fernandez, but she will not be taken into custody by the Enforcement Directorate.
Okay, certainly a shift from what the Delhi judge had earlier noted, while it said that why pick and choose. Let me go across to Swapnil Kothari joining us on the phone line, and then I'll take in a word from Mohit Bhatt as well. Swapnil, how do you see this? Certainly relief coming in for the moment for Jacqueline Fernandez.
Yes, Christine, it's kind of quite expected that, when the question was posed by the judge at that time that what is it that you seek to gain from her custody and why have you not arrested her so far? Now, the very question itself is very loaded and implies that somewhere the Enforcement Directorate has not been able to arrest her because they don't have cogent evidence. So to say that not to grant bail and to keep it open for them to arrest sounds a tad too, difficult for any lawyer to digest. So, and it is not allowed in a court of law as such to keep that kind of a sword hanging over the head of an accused, whoever it may be. So the fact remains that whether the accused is the Constitution permits, and certainly not when something so sacred, the personal liberty can be snatched away. Yes, if there is a crime that is committed, or if you are a flight risk, or if you're going to tamper with the evidence. But if none of those things are being shown by an investigating agency, the courts will say, well, we played it along with you so far. We've listened to you, but now I guess we need to listen to the accused as far as this is concerned. And let's continue with the bail. And as and when you have more